Good morning. So it's our second day here in Montenegro and we're going to Kotor. So we will need some euros or cash. So my wife is currently withdrawing cash here in the ATM. Because some of the taxis here, well not some, but most of the taxis here according to the reception of the hotel, they don't accept cards, so they just accept cash. So we will be using cash for our taxi ride, so that's why we're getting money from the ATM. So join us as we go to Kotor. So guys, we're already here at the bus station and we spent 3 euros and 55 cents on our taxi from our hotel going here in the bus station. But since our money was 50 euros, the taxi driver doesn't have any change. So good thing there's a nearby pharmacy. Then I just bought an antifungal shampoo in their pharmacy and it costs around 10 euros. So I will have a change for our 50 euros. So this seems to be a good antifungal shampoo because it has clotrimazole, which is the antifungal, and zinc, which is an antiseptic, and it says that it is recommended by dermatologists. So I bought it from this pharmacy over here, and the pharmacist was really well informed or knowledgeable about the shampoo. So it was just around 10 minutes from Q Hotel to the bus station here at Podgorica. So it was not a long ride. And the taxi driver was okay. And the taxi fare is not that expensive as well. So I think my advice for you, if you're here at Montenegro, you should have cash. And at least you have a smaller bill, so you won't need to have it changed in a nearby store. Just use the toilet here, and I paid 50 pence or 50 cents here to use the toilet. And if you want to shower, you will pay 2 euros for it. So not bad. I think it's good. So at least they could maintain their toilet. So guys, we're here at the van. So we just arrived in Kotor. Sabi ni mo dalan. Doggy. Tara, kauta. Asa man ta dog? Si dog. Si dog ang magdala na to. Oo. The dog is bringing us to our hotel. So guys, this dog is bringing us to our hotel. Look, the dog is bringing us to our hotel. nice here. So you can see the mountains and the sea. I believe this is the Adriatic Sea on your left. So there's a lot of boats and yachts on your left. And there's a castle on the right. So guys, the weather is perfect today. It's 9 degrees. It's not that cold and it's sunny. So it's a nice day to stroll here at Kotor, Montenegro. Market. A shopping center, guys. Mga kudoks, we paid 34 euros for our lunch and now we're heading to our hotel. Look at this, mga kudoks. So guys, we're just waiting for the owner of this apartment. So this is the apartment from their lobby. So you need to climb that stairs over there. And the stairs that I've showed you a while ago. And they have a lot of like good ratings from previous years. Guys, we're here in our room. It's very nice. So the owner of the apartment is really nice. He gave us some hints on where to go here in Kotor. So he gave us this map. So it's just within the old town of Kotor. And the house is really nice. So it's 40 euros per day, isn't it? Yeah, so I think it's made up of stone. Look, it's made up of stone. And the bed is big. There's a warmer. And the dining area and the living area. It's really nice. And the toilet seems to be very nice as well. So the structure is different with what we are used to in the Philippines and in the UK. Everything's good. So where are we going now?
I'm gonna charge my phone first. Okay, it's low battery. And we're gonna explore around the old couture town.
Yeah.
So it's like this one here. This is the main main.
So guys, this is Couture. So it's an old town with all this rock formation right here. And the nice thing is that there are few tourists or few people around, and it's really nice. What can you say?
Nice, really nice.
Yeah, it's nice. The weather is not bad. It's not cold, not hot, just okay. And if you've been seeing a lot of videos here in Montenegro, here in Kotor, there's a lot of cats here. So if you've been to the Philippines, it feels like that you're in vegan here in Ilocos, right?
Or Bataan.
Or Bataan. But we've never been to Bataan. Basing on the pictures, I think it looks like Bataan as well. But I can feel like vegan vibes here, except for the cold weather. And look, there's a cat. So there's plenty of cats here. There's even a cat store here. Look at the view here, guys. Look at that. Seawall. So it's really nice out here. So the mountains is on this side and the sea is on this side. And of course there's a cat again. The cat wants to be part of my vlog. Say hi, cat. Say hi. Church of Saint Nicholas. Look, there's so many cats here. Too many cats. Unfortunately, the cat museum is closed today, so we can't go there. Paano kayo move it? Hi, cat. Hi. Guys, we bought this pin, our collection, for €4 from the shop. It's good. Bought some pasalubong for Bibi's friends for Christmas because they usually see each other during Christmas Day. So what did you buy? She bought some small pouch bags with cats, with a cat design. About to walk in the narrowest street here in Kotor. So let's see if it's narrower than what we have in Exeter. Have you seen the Exeter narrowest street? Yeah, so let's see if this is narrower. Where? This one? Is this it? Is this a narrowest street, B? This is the narrowest street here in Kotor. Everything's really antique and old here. And there's another cat. A tattoo area. So there's plenty of shops here. There's a barber shop, there's a parlor, there's a tattoo shop, souvenir shops, travel agencies, massage parlor, restaurants, pubs. Okay. You okay? There you go. Oh, a little bit off. Southern Gate. We were looking for a toilet here at Kotor. We think there's a mall inside, but when we went to the mall, we need to pay for it. But the thing is, we don't have coins. So what we did, we went to this grocery store and we bought something. And if you buy something here, you get a code for the toilet. So it's already free. So what did we buy?
We bought
We bought that one. Instead of paying 50 cents each, we just bought something.
Have something. Instead of paying 1
50
euro,
cents, yes.
50, 50. We got 90.
Yes. Yes, we bought this wrap at 15 pounds. So it's 7 pounds and
No,
8
mine
pounds?
is 7, yours is 8.
So this one is 8 pounds and yours is 7
7.
pounds.
It's big.
So that's a spicy wrap and this
Yeah.
one is a
Western.
western wrap composed of chicken and some fries
Okay.
on top or chips on top. So we're really tired. We're supposed to have coffee, but we didn't see any coffee shops that's open around 5 p.m. here at Couture. So maybe there's a coffee shop that's open, but it's far from the old town. So we'll just eat dinner with our
Now,
wraps.
we're just trying the street food.
Yeah, we'll just try the street food from their street market.
And later on, maybe we're gonna buy their pancakes.
Yes, we're gonna buy pancakes.
And tomorrow, hopefully we will eat in the restaurant.
What restaurant?
I wanna try seafood restaurant.
Yes, we bought pancakes.
Pancakes.
So I've got Kinder and she's got Ferrero. How much is it?
It's £4, 4 euros.
4 euros each.
Not bad.
Not bad.
It smells so good.
Let's eat.
Let's eat our dessert.